In this lesson, we will be learning our next song called The Wild Rover. This song begins with the chord D, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 2, which is down, down, up, down, up. Let's play the chords of the verse slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. So the verse begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've D, 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 G, G, D, A, D, 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 G, G, D, A, D. Up to now, whenever we changed to a different chord, the first strum of the chord and the new syllable coincided. However, sometimes when we are changing chords on the ukulele, we need to strum the chord before we sing the new syllable. For your convenience, we have highlighted the chord in blue whenever you have to play the chord before you sing the new syllable. Now let's play the chords of the chorus slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. So the chorus begins with the chord A, and we will be starting after 4. One, 2, 3, 4, and it's A, 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 D, D, G, G, D, D, G, G, A, D, D. This time we will sing the song a little quicker together, and we will be starting after 4. One, 2, 3, 4. I've been a wild rover for many's the year, and I spent all me money on whiskey and beer, and now I'm returning No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I went into an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such a custom as yours I could have any day, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I took from my pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have whiskey and wines of the best. Sure, the words that I told you were only in jest, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I'll go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and I'll ask them to pardon their prodigal son. And if they caress me as oft times before, then I never will play the wild rover no more, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been a wild rover for many's the year, and I spent all me money on whiskey and beer, and now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I went into an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I took from my pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have whiskey and wines of the best. Sure, the words that I told you were only in jest, and it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I'll go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and I'll ask them to pardon